Stop by and take a look at the 2008 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. And is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, traction control, auto headlight on/off, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, OnStar Communication System. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.